Every morning, millions of people brew their coffee or tea, never realizing that a tiny spice sitting quietly in their kitchen could transform their health in just 1 week. I'm talking about cloves, those little nail-shaped buds that most of us only use during the holidays. But what if I told you that clove tea, when prepared correctly, has the power to bring noticeable changes to your body in as little as 7 days? Scientists have discovered that cloves are packed with compounds so powerful, they rival some of the most advanced medicines in their effects. The secret lies in eugenol, a natural oil that makes up about 70 to 80% of cloves' healing strength. But eugenol isn't alone. Each clove carries more than 30 other active compounds, working together to reduce pain, support your digestion, protect your heart, and even sharpen your mind. The best part is, when you use cloves the right way, you don't have to wait months to feel the benefits. You'll begin noticing changes within the very first day, and each day that follows brings new improvements, layer upon layer, until by day 7, you feel like your body has been recharged from the inside out. So, if you're curious about what clove tea can really do for you, stay with me. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through a day-by-day journey of what happens when you drink this simple, powerful tea. Hi, this is Marcus from Human Body Wellness, where we are dedicated to providing you with informative and educational content on healthy foods, drinks, and eating habits. Our goal is to bring you natural, science-backed remedies that you can trust and actually use in your daily life. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos on natural health. And if you're ready to discover how something as simple as clove tea can transform your well-being, let's get started. The secret of clove tea. Cloves may look small, but they carry one of the highest antioxidant powers found in nature. Antioxidants are your body's defense team, protecting your cells from wear and tear, keeping your tissues younger, and lowering the risk of disease. In fact, when scientists tested spices, cloves came out on top, far stronger than many fruits and vegetables. The magic of clove tea comes from a compound called eugenol. Eugenol is a natural oil that not only gives cloves their strong, warming scent, but also acts as a healer inside your body. It calms inflammation, eases pain, supports healthy blood sugar, and even helps protect your brain by crossing into areas where many nutrients cannot reach. Think of it as nature's gentle multitasker, touching many different systems of your body at once. But here's the important part. How you prepare your cloves makes all the difference. If you simply boil them or use old ground clove powder from the back of your cabinet, you'll lose much of that healing power. The key is to use fresh, whole cloves, lightly crushed to release their oils. Then, steep them in hot water just below boiling, covering the cup so the precious compounds don't escape with the steam. This method extracts the maximum amount of eugenol and the other 30-plus compounds, giving you a cup that is soothing, fragrant, and deeply restorative. Now that you know why cloves are so powerful and how to unlock their benefits, let's walk through something truly exciting. The 7-day journey of what happens inside your body when you drink clove tea every day. The 7-day journey. Day 1. Pain and inflammation ease. The very first day you sip clove tea, something remarkable happens. Eugenol, the main compound in cloves, acts almost like a natural pain reliever. It calms down the enzymes that create inflammation in your body. If you struggle with stiff joints, aching muscles, or that nagging soreness that comes with age, you may notice a gentle release of tension within hours. Many people describe it as their body exhaling for the first time in a long while. On the inside, this isn't just comfort. Your inflammatory markers are being lowered, your circulation is opening up, and your body is shifting toward healing mode. Imagine going through your evening or waking up the next morning with a little less pain and a little more freedom to move. That's the gift clove tea brings, right from day 1. Day 2. Digestion improves. By the second day, your stomach and gut begin to feel the difference. Clove tea gently stimulates digestive enzymes, which means your body breaks down food more smoothly. If you often deal with bloating, excess gas, or that heavy feeling after meals, you may notice these problems start to ease. The natural oils in cloves also have a mild antimicrobial effect, which helps reduce harmful bacteria in your gut while leaving the helpful ones intact. This balance is key to better digestion and overall comfort. Another benefit is the way cloves encourage your stomach to produce protective mucus, which can soothe irritation and even shield against ulcers. Think of it as a soft cushion for your digestive system. By the end of day 2, many people describe feeling lighter, less gassy, and more at ease after meals. Day 3, blood sugar steadies. On the 3rd day, the benefits of clove tea begin reaching deeper into your metabolism. One of the most powerful effects of eugenol is its ability to improve how your body handles sugar. It makes your cells more sensitive to insulin, the hormone that helps move sugar out of your blood and into your cells for energy. This means steadier blood sugar levels, fewer spikes and crashes, and better control over cravings. For seniors who may be managing prediabetes or diabetes, this gentle support can make a real difference. Cloves also help the liver process fats more effectively, which supports healthier cholesterol and reduces the buildup of fat in the liver. Altogether, this day often brings a sense of steady energy, fewer dips in mood, and more clarity of mind. You may feel like your body is running on a smoother, cleaner fuel. Day 4, cardiovascular boost. By day 4, your heart and blood vessels start reaping the rewards of clove tea. The antioxidants and eugenol work together to relax your blood vessels, improving circulation. This gentle vasodilation helps more oxygen and nutrients flow to your tissues, which can leave you feeling more energized and clear-headed. Inside your arteries, something even more important is happening. Cloves help reduce oxidative stress, the damage that leads to hardened arteries and plaque buildup. They also encourage better handling of LDL cholesterol, making it less likely to stick to vessel walls. And with their mild antiplatelet effects, cloves support smoother blood flow, which may ease pressure on the heart. By the 4th day, many people notice subtle signs of better circulation, warmer hands and feet, improved skin tone, or a lighter feeling in the chest. It's your cardiovascular system quietly thanking you. Day 5, immune fortification. By the 5th day, clove tea begins strengthening one of your body's most important systems, your immune defense. The bioactive compounds in cloves boost the activity of natural killer cells, your body's frontline soldiers against viruses and harmful bacteria. At the same time, eugenol and other plant oils circulate through your system, creating an environment that is unfriendly to invaders like bacteria, fungi, and even certain viruses. This immune lift doesn't just work silently. Many people notice easier breathing thanks to the expectorant properties of cloves that help clear airways and calm inflammation in the lungs. Others feel an overall sense of resilience, as if their body is more protected from seasonal threats. By day 5, your antioxidant defenses also peak, flooding your cells with protection against stress and damage. Think of it as your body putting on a stronger shield, making you more prepared for whatever the day brings. Day 6, sexual and hormonal support. By the 6th day, the improvements in circulation and energy start to influence more personal areas of health. Better blood flow naturally supports sexual function in both men and women, helping restore vitality and confidence. For many, this comes as an unexpected but very welcome benefit. Clove tea may also provide subtle hormonal support. Research suggests that compounds in cloves can assist with balancing blood sugar and supporting the adrenal glands, which play a key role in hormone regulation. For men, improved circulation can enhance performance, while for women, cloves' gentle effects may help ease discomfort linked with hormonal changes. Of course, moderation is key here. Very high doses of eugenol can have the opposite effect, which is why one carefully prepared cup a day is the sweet spot. By day 6, many people feel a renewed spark, both physically and emotionally, as circulation and energy align. Day 7, system optimization. By the 7th day, the benefits of clove tea begin to work in harmony, creating a full-body sense of renewal. Your circulation is flowing more freely, your digestion is smoother, and your blood sugar is steadier. Together, these improvements give your brain more oxygen and energy, leading to sharper mental clarity. Many people notice they think more clearly, recall things more easily, and feel more focused. Sleep often improves as well. Clove tea's calming effects on the nervous system help quiet inflammation and stress, allowing for deeper, more restorative rest. Your skin may even take on a healthier glow thanks to improved blood flow and antioxidants that protect from inside out. By day 7, you're not just experiencing isolated benefits, you're feeling the cumulative effect. A body that functions more smoothly, with less pain, more energy, and greater balance. It's as if your entire system has been tuned up and set back into harmony. How to prepare clove tea correctly. Now that you've seen the day-by-day transformation, let's talk about how to prepare clove tea the right way. Because if you don't make it correctly, you could lose much of its healing power. Start with 3 to 4 whole cloves per cup. Lightly crush them with the back of a spoon or a mortar and pestle. You don't want to grind them into powder, just enough to crack them open and release their oils. Heat your water, but don't let it come to a full boil. Aim for about 185 to 190 degrees Fahrenheit, or around 85 to 88 degrees Celsius. This gentle heat protects the delicate compounds, especially eugenol, from breaking down. Place the crushed cloves in your cup, pour the hot water over them, and cover the cup while steeping for 8 to 10 minutes. Covering is important because it keeps the beneficial oils from escaping with the steam. When it's ready, strain out the cloves and sip slowly while warm. The best time to drink clove tea is about 30 minutes before a meal, and 1 cup per day is usually enough for most people. For extra flavor, you can add ginger, cinnamon, or a touch of raw honey after steeping. Safety and cautions. Clove tea is generally safe when used properly, but like any powerful natural remedy, moderation is key. 1 cup a day is usually the sweet spot. Drinking more than 2 cups daily may stress the liver because of the high eugenol content. If you take blood-thinning medications or have a bleeding disorder, speak with your healthcare provider before using cloves regularly. Cloves can naturally slow clotting, which may interact with certain medications. Some people may experience sensitivity, especially if prone to acid reflux. In that case, start with a weaker brew and see how your body responds. Pregnant women should limit clove tea to no more than 1 cup every other day, while nursing mothers should stick with moderate amounts. And of course, if you notice any allergic reactions or discomfort, it's best to pause and consult a professional. The real power of clove tea isn't just what happens in 7 days, but what happens when you make it a consistent part of your routine. Just like exercise or good sleep, the benefits of clove tea compound over time. Your body builds on the progress each week, leaving you with lasting improvements in energy, circulation, digestion, and overall vitality. To get the most from this simple habit, keep your cloves stored in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. Fresh whole cloves have the strongest aroma and the highest healing power. A simple health journal can also help you track changes. Note your pain levels, digestion, energy, and even your sleep quality. Over a few weeks, you'll start to see clear patterns of progress. For balance, consider rotating clove tea with other healing drinks, like green tea, ginger tea, or turmeric milk. Each offers unique benefits, and rotating keeps your wellness journey varied and enjoyable. Remember, clove tea isn't a magic fix on its own. It's a natural tool to pair with healthy eating, good hydration, quality sleep, and gentle movement. When practiced consistently, it becomes more than a tea. It becomes a sustainable wellness ritual. So there you have it, the 7-day journey of clove tea. From easing pain and soothing digestion to balancing blood sugar, protecting your heart, strengthening your immune system, and even bringing more clarity and energy. It's incredible how much one small daily habit can do. Imagine what your health could look like weeks or months from now if you simply commit to 1 warm cup each day. Nature gives us powerful tools, and cloves are one of the best hidden treasures in your spice cabinet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with friends or family who could benefit. And I'd love to hear from you. Type yes in the comments if you're ready to try clove tea for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural, evidence-based health content. Until next time, here's to your health, your strength, and your wellness.